Apple just dropped a game changer. The iPhone 16e is here, bringing flagship power at an affordable price. But is it worth the hype? Let's dive in. The iPhone 16e sports a sleek and modern design with a 6.1-inch OLED display, offering crisp colors and deep blacks. While it lacks promotion's 120Hz refresh rate, the display remains one of the best in its class. Powering the iPhone 16e is Apple's new AA18 chip, delivering lightning-fast performance and optimized power efficiency. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone keeps up without breaking a sweat. Apple made some bold choices here. The iPhone 16e comes with a 48-megapixel primary camera, producing stunningly detailed shots, even in low light. The night mode and smart HDR's enhancements make every photo pop. Finally, USB-C is here. The iPhone 16e packs a solid battery life that easily lasts a full day. And with a fast charging support, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. Say goodbye to battery anxiety, starting at just $599. The iPhone 16e is Apple's most affordable new iPhone yet. It's missing some premium features like MagSafe and an ultra-wide camera, but for the price, it's an absolute steal. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 16e the best budget iPhone, or just another compromise? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews.